Hi everyone, my name is Farooq Kaiser and I'm here with this Panasonic Lumix GH5. And as you know, this is a great camera, and the bad thing is that it doesn't have the AC input, so only you have to rely on the battery here. But I have been doing, when you have to do the continuous shooting, the battery is not good. I tried, I bought the two pair of extra batteries, but what happens when you are doing a continuous recording, in the middle of the shot the battery dies and you have to replace the battery, which is very painful. I don't like that at all. So I have been looking for some solution for that, and I saw this on Amazon. Actually, I saw a YouTuber who recommended this brand called Gonine. I don't know how to say this. It's a kind of Chinese brand, and she said this is the way to go. So I bought this, and see this still is sealed, and I bought this for $26.99 on Amazon. But some of the people, with the other brands, they said their camera died after using the external AC adapter, or some other people then some other things that the LCD died. So that's why I'm doing this video. At least you guys will witness what happens after using this, whether it works or the camera will die. So it's a kind of like a risky job I'm doing right now. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is what I got inside the packet. Okay, and then is the cord here, AC cord. Okay. Well, I bought this several days ago, but I have been afraid to try. But I have to. So let me take this risk and try here. Okay, so I think. It's kind of weird. That is not right size or what. Okay, so see, the one thing I'm having hard time to insert this. I don't know why. It should not be that. Okay, finally it's gone there. Okay, and what else inside in this box is, okay, so this is the fiber cloth came inside, and some literature. It says warranty and support, you can see here, and this thing which goes in the battery compartment. Okay, so this is things will go in the battery compartment. It look like a battery. So okay, so this is here, if you can see. Okay, I opened it. I'm going to take out the battery. Okay, so see, put it here, if you can see. And I have been struggling to how to use this, and then I found that there is a one thing here you can push, and this will go like this. So this is designed for that. Okay, so now it needs to be fully locked, otherwise, so you see this came out and it's fully locked. Okay, now the things comes. I have to check it. Oh, I'm a bit kind of afraid. Okay, so I have connected it to the power there, and I'm going to put this here. You can see it's connected, and let me on the camera. Oh my goodness, I don't know what will happen. Still I? Okay. I have no other options. 1, 2, 3. It's on, and I don't see anything wrong yet. And you can see it's on here. So well, if anything happens, I'll make second video. Okay, so I think this is the solution for your GH5 if you want to do the continuous shooting indoor. Of course, when you are going out, you can buy the extra batteries which I have. So this is again Gonine, Gonine or Gonine, I don't know how to say this Chinese name, but on Amazon I bought for $26.99. So I found the solution, and I hope this helps you guys too. So yeah, so I think this is the perfect, now I don't have to, while I'm shooting or talking or doing some interview, and middle of this interview I have to come, switch off and stop my interview, which is weird for your guest and yourself to stop the interview and change the battery. That's weird. So I hope this will be the good solution for me. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you and take care. Bye.